What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your iPhone's personal hotspot keeps disconnecting. If your iPhone's hotspot keeps dropping connections, there are a few settings you can tweak to stabilize it. I'll walk you through the steps both on the host iPhone and on the device connecting to the hotspot. First, start with the host iPhone, the one that's actually creating the hotspot. Open up your settings and then go to Personal Hotspot. If your iPhone has an option called Maximize Compatibility, make sure it's turned off. This setting is meant to help other devices connect to your hotspot, but it can sometimes cause instability on newer ones. If you don't see this option, don't worry, it's not available on all iPhones. Next, you need to check if low power mode is on. When low power mode is enabled, your iPhone limits background activities to save battery, which can cause the hotspot to disconnect frequently. To turn it off, go to your settings, scroll down to battery, and make sure low power mode is switched off. Another important step is ensuring your iPhone doesn't go to sleep while acting as a hotspot. If your iPhone locks itself, it may stop sharing the connection. To prevent this, go to your settings and then Display and Brightness, and scroll down to Auto Lock. Set this to Never so your device stays awake while the hotspot is in use. Now, move on to the device that is connecting to the hotspot. If this device is another iPhone, there are a couple of settings you should adjust to prevent disconnections. First, go to your settings and then Mobile Data, and scroll down to Wi-Fi Assist. This feature automatically switches from Wi-Fi to mobile data if the Wi-Fi signal is weak, which can cause your device to disconnect from the hotspot. Make sure Wi-Fi Assist is turned off to prevent this from happening. Next, check if Low Data Mode is enabled. Low Data Mode restricts background data usage, which can slow down your hotspot connection and make it unstable. To turn it off, go to your settings and then Wi-Fi, and tap the small eye icon next to your connected hotspot network. Look for Low Data Mode and turn it off to ensure a smoother connection. Finally, if your hotspot is still disconnecting, a simple restart can often fix the issue. Restart both the host iPhone and the device connecting to the hotspot, as temporary software glitches may be causing the instability. To restart, swipe down from the top right to open the control center and tap the power button at the top right. A drag to slide off screen will appear. Drag the slider to the right to power off the device. Now, to power on, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo flashes back on. This step will resolve any minor glitches causing the hotspot to disconnect. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.